This ain't New York, this the Bronx.
Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chulo the Don, and we back with another one. Now, you see the threes in the background. I mean, the re-image threes came, so we about to unbox them and compare them to the 2010s. Now, I've been seeing like a couple of articles going around, like people with the early access been getting their Jordans on some like discombobulated. So I'm praying when I unbox these, mine don't look like that. All right, so let's get to it. Like I said, I don't know how these look either. So we'll be seeing these first time. Took the address off, so y'all ain't gonna be able to zoom in on that. Okay. I thought I was tripping. I'm like, nah, they already sent me the box all trashed up. But that's the design of the box. It's like the ones, I guess. I'm gonna get the. I didn't even try to get the ones because I wound up getting red and white 11s early. So I felt kind of stupid because I feel like I could have got them on sneakers. Like I feel like I would have hit on sneakers. Okay. Let's see what they talking about. I don't know what they talking about. I don't know. Shits look good to me. Well, anyway, re-imaged. You know, they supposed to have like that old look, so it come with like that. To tell the truth, that's how my 2010s look anyway. These the 2010s right here. Oh no, they got the yellow right here. Mine don't got yellow right here. But the yellow in the back. Oh, Nike in the back. Okay. Red Jumpman. The stitching on here is different though. Yeah, this is more. 2010 is more poked out. The re-image is more smooth. You can tell the 2010s because the laces is all damp. Of course, because it's got the Nike in the back, so Nike inside. They cool. I guess because I still got 2010, so it's like whatever. Oh, this the right foot. It's inside again. Nothing too crazy. Of course, got the Nike tag. Yeah. Well, I guess I'm one of the lucky ones because I really don't see nothing like off about it of what they're talking about. It'll be something if they be like, you know, they think they messed up and it's like not. But I can't tell what they supposed to even be talking about. But I don't know. Cause I seen some. I'm not gonna lie. The patterns was off. Like one foot, the pattern was skinny, and the other foot, the pattern was like fat. Who knows? Maybe Nike gonna come out and explain that or something. This is the box. You know, give it that old look, like it was in your closet for years type shit. Early access from Nike. It was something about if you tried to get the early access, not the early access, the early release, and you couldn't get it, then they granted you an early access. I think until like 8 o'clock at night. So it was enough time to think if you wanted to or not. But yeah, that was the unboxing. Y'all seen the threes in the threes video. I'm gonna show them to y'all one more time though. These are 2010. So these, the fire, no, not the fire red. I don't think dropped that yet. But these, the black, and I believe the true blue all dropped in 1 year in 2010. Don't quote me on it. I believe they did though. So I remember I got one after another. I don't know, man. Whatever. People probably tripping, thinking too much into the design or something like that. But I don't know. But anyway, yeah, we just unboxed the Reimage Cement Retro 3s. So yeah, that's your first look. You decide if you want to get them or not. They drop March 11th. And yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. Chulo the Dawn. Talking them kicks again.